Keeping your business safe online is more important than ever. Let's explore a top-notch security method that's gaining popularity, the Zero Trust security model. With Zero Trust, the rule is simple. If we haven't said yes to it, it's a no-go. Your system only lets in the apps and logins that you've approved beforehand. Imagine your office where only your staff has key cards. Someone without a card can't just walk in because all doors need a verified card. It's secure and straightforward. Zero Trust works the same way. It's like giving digital key cards to software and services you trust. Unfamiliar ones? They're not getting through. So, in your network, regular tools like Office or QuickBooks get the green light. Anything unknown or new gets stopped at the door. Want to see how Zero Trust can help secure your small business? Hit the link in the description to schedule a quick 15-minute chat with our team. Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.